Hello Ghana, this is your girl Pascaline and I'm tuning into Kwabena Kosti.
And it's always a good pleasure and a good feeling to be on radio, especially on Fridays. Trust me. That's right. Wonderful, beautiful Friday morning. 21st day of May 2021. And folks, we are back on your radio. We're here to serve God and country. And of course, that brings us to 23 minutes into the hour. Still tuning to 93.3 FM. Juma. And our Sugu out here. You're from a Jenny Champion Boat in Cosmos. Call me Jabru's Money, call me Kwabena Kosti.
Flow.
Alright, so folks, we are here once again. And this is what we're about to do. It's a Friday. Yeah.